what would be your advice for somebody, who let's say somebody came and watched the show today and they had never heard of Fiddler. Maybe they, have done some ML. Maybe they're looking for something exactly like Fiddler. What would be your, other than signing up for the trial, what would be your first piece of advice to them?
Yeah, absolutely. So, see, I think we are in this midst of AI and ML revolution, right? So every company, big or small, is trying to adopt these powerful decision-making technologies into their products and business workflows. Now, one of the most challenging things is to operationalize AI in a trustworthy manner. That is a very, very, very hard problem. And where Fiddler helps you is to, by providing complete visibility into how your models are performing, you can actually accelerate your AI adoption in your business workload. Because once you understand how it is working, once you're able to explain how it is working, once you have visibility into how the AI is working, then your teams, your management, your product and business stakeholders will have more confidence, will give more buy-in for you to adopt AI. So that is number one. Number two is you can resolve production incidents very quickly. So as you're deploying machine learning models, as they're taking on a lot of all of your business decisions, you may want to debug those things. You may be pulled into questions, right? Why is this not working? Why are the model associated product metrics going down or up? And so debuggability and being able to diagnose those things is going to be important. Number three is, as an organization, it's becoming extremely important for companies to build, responsible AI, to make sure that they're being very purposeful in curating data sets, being able to understand, fairness aspects of the data, their imbalance in their training data. And so Fiddler helps you to uncover those, aspects within your data early on when you're doing model validation, but also monitor it continuously once you deploy the model to production. So think about Fiddler as a sidecar in your MLOps workflow. You need a system as robust like SageMaker that will be your runtime, where you're hosting your models, running at scale, on cloud or on-prem, where you're essentially deploying this at scale, right? But you also need this insight into how the model is performing, where are the problems happening, why is it making certain decisions, how are the model decisions going to happening all together in one place. And that's where Fiddler helps you, gives you that visibility so that you can operationalize AI like with full transparency. This is a benefit that I have seen first class when I was working at Facebook. And without the system, we didn't have a lot of insight into what's going on. And this is the reason why I built Fiddler, because there was not much out there that people can use right off the box to monitor and explain their machine learning models running in production in a seamless manner.
That's a great answer. I love that answer.